what's up YouTube? So I'm eating some snacks right now. Sorry, that's why I'm smacking like that. But yeah, I'm back with another video today. It's a radio POV drive on my Q50. I think it's 300 or 330 horsepower, something like that. But yeah, I'm just ready to chop it up on my way to the gym. Yeah, like I was saying, this car is a good buy for its money. For like a Lux package like what I have. Well, at the time, before like the car market was kind of high, the car market's still a little high right now. But during that time, my car was $26,000. That was before taxes. I'm not gonna say after taxes, nothing like that. But yeah, you want a sport, you can at least be over like $35,000 after taxes. Well, before taxes, I believe. But they got two different sports. They got a silver sport and a red sport coming with 400 horsepower. Yeah, that's basically a big boy. But even with 300 horsepower, like, this car still get up. You can hear it. Like, it's twin turbo charge. Yeah. It's just quick. I wanna say it's fast. I wanna say it's fast, but it's pretty quick. Like, hear that downshift? Like, just get louder. So they just driving slow. I'm driving down. That's the content. But let me turn my radar on. Alright, I got my radar on. Yeah, I'm gonna hit it at least. I'm gonna hit it for one time for y'all. He messed it up. It's always that one dumb car, bro. So I get like a straight shot, so I can open it up for y'all, so I can hear it. Yeah, it sounds pretty good when I'm off the lead. Like, I want to get an exhaust for it, but I don't know yet. But I did want my car to shoot flames one point in time, but I heard that like basically mess with your turbo, so that's a no-no. I know somebody that blown his engine. Although, yeah, never mind. But I was seeing like the other day, I seen a supercharged Q50. I think it was a 3.7 though, but it was. I was like, dang, like I low-key want mine to be supercharged, but I'll probably do that in the future, honestly. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all hear it again. It's like a different sound of it. It is. No, it's not that. This is a certain point in time. Like, I guess the way you hit the gas or something, like it's got the extra like sound, a little growl to it. Trying to focus. My radar here, shut up. 9 times out of 10, it's probably not even a cop. Just be talking or cheap tripping, whatever. So he's staring the sport. Oh, one thing this car don't got though, that is kind of weird. Like when you put in reverse, it don't beep. Like at all. You get close to the object, it won't beep. I kind of find that kind of weird. Like, I've never been in a car that doesn't beep when you backing up. That threw me off. I didn't notice it until like 2 weeks of having the car. So it's a pretty little growl. They put salt on the road. I think it was a snow tomorrow or like freezing rain. But I might try to post a video tonight when I get out after the gym. Or probably tomorrow. I might post it tomorrow. Yeah, I might do that. I don't know. I'll see when I get home. It depends, because it might be too late to post a video. So I might post it tomorrow. Around like, what time would I say? I'll say like What time? What's a good time? 8 o'clock. I say 8 o'clock. 7:30, 8 o'clock. Something like that. Yeah, I'm trying to hit it one more time so y'all can hear it. I think somebody in that lane. What's not what it is, but you know, I got space. See, like, it's really quick. Like, you get in there, like, you getting all the cuts, all that. And somebody over there trying to follow me. Like, I swear, like, you take a cut one time, or not even a cut, you just hit the gas. Somebody think you want to start driving with you. I'm not trying to race, buddy. I'm not trying to race. But yeah, there it is. I've been in there. See, the downshift is crazy. Right, I went a little bit. Also, one thing this car should have is better brakes. Like, I feel like the Lux package should come with like the sport brakes as well. These cars still fast and quick, like. But I just think it'd be better. That's all. Man, why do y'all braking that hard, bro? Like, that's how I be talking about. I'm just convinced people in Baltimore can't drive. My arm hurt for this camera. If I could be the first one up there, I'll probably not. I want to give it like a pull. But if me, I already can't. Unless I go over, I'm gonna do it. Fuck it. With that being said, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna post more of these probably like once a week. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna post at least once a week. I'm gonna do a couple downshifts for y'all. But yeah, with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and I'll be back with another banger. What's up, YouTube? I'm back. Well, this is still the same video, but I actually found a video of the Q60 or 50 I meant with the supercharger, so I'm gonna throw a clip inside the end of the video where you'll see it. But yeah, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. We out.